Happy New Year, everybody. Today, I'm going to get started on Richard Petty's 1980 Chevrolet Monte Carlo with the reverse paint scheme. This is from Ontario in 1980. So I was going to do the 1930 Ford, the one I did an unboxing of last time, but it is missing, or really has the incorrect chrome tree on it for the engine stuff. So the oil pan is different. I think it's the chrome tree for the 1929 car. So anyways, I get all that situated with Revell. So I figured I would start on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some parts cleaned up, and then I'll get into some assemblies. So I'll be right back. Alright, here's where I'm at so far. I've got the chassis, two halves glued together. It goes to the second pin. This is the Monte Carlo, so it goes to the second pin in from the back, and it tells you out the instructions. I've got the roll cage pretty much done. The only other piece I have to put in there is this, which comes in through the like this here, but it's got to go through the firewall as well. So I gotta kind of like that. So gotta get that situated yet. I've got the engine done other than the carburetor and intake on it, but it's all painted. I gotta do a little touch up there, but other than that, this is done. And I've got the suspension pretty well done, except for the front and back half of the differential. But I'm going to paint this first, and then I'm going to put those on, and then also I'm going to paint the roll cage and the chassis, get all that together, and then we'll be kind of rocking and rolling here, getting it going. So the nice thing about this kit, and I didn't explain this earlier, is you only have to paint one color. The decals, the blue part of it anyway, is a decal. So the only thing you gotta do is paint the, whatever it is, the Sunglow red, neon red color. So shouldn't be too bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on that, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you.